The event for Tour a Home campaign, and I'm sure we are going to bring you something which will entertain you, and we welcome everybody worldwide to come and join us here in Africa, in Zimbabwe, Kenya and Uganda. And I'm sure everybody will really enjoy what we're really going to introduce you people, what is going to be happening in the villages with the African cultures, African dance, everything.
You can dance like...
No,
dance.
I'm coming. Let's go on.
And they were also going. You are also allowed to be free to move wherever you want to move. Even we are going to bring you a lot of activities. Like you are going to experience something like a bonfire in the villages,
hiking and exploring in the forest.
Yes, hiking and in the forest. Treasure hunting, and also herding cattle. All those activities, you are going to engage yourselves in those activities freely, and there will be no interruption in these activities. So we will also welcome there. So there are some other things which we want to show you there. When you come here, at least you are going to entertain yourself. These are the things which you might find. These things you can find them in the villages. A long time people, they used to carry these things. They used to use these things to fetch water. And up to now, if you go to the villages, they are still using it for welcome visitors. And we, of course, also other number of these things. These things, we use it for carrying maize.
Millet. Even
if you want to take millet, even if you want to fruits, these are some of the things which we use, the traditional things. So this is how we do our crafts.
This is also a traditional word whereby we normally use it for umkomboti, the traditional beer. It's like international traditional beer, and we welcome all the tourists, those who want to try and taste the African beer. You'll get it from us, whereby sometimes you'll find there's an African hut. There's a woman carrying a pot on her head, fetching water from the village, from the rivers. Then also they go and look for the firewood in the village. So that's what we want the tourists to come and experience, that life. We don't want them to lead this British life. We want really natural things in Africa. And I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Let me give you a taste of how to drink this thing. I'm sure I have my other thing here with the African beer. If you don't know how to drink it well, you know, because it's the first time for you, the tourists, to drink, let me show you. I'm a really typical African woman, and I'm called Striker. You're most welcome.
Yeah, you can first cut.
Yeah, these are bananas. You are also going to find them here in Africa. We have those things. But bread, in these events, bread, no, there's no bread. What you are going to do, sugar cane. Yes. And there's this maize, which we are going to cook for you. When it is ready, this is something which is very delicious. That is all I have to say. And this is a mango. Yeah, this one is from these are from these big trees. You know mango if I'm talking about a mango. So these are our African mangoes. I don't know if they are in Europe. What type of mangoes do we have? But this is our typical African mango.
You cut it. You cut it. You shake. You take me when I'm shaking. My nickname is called Striker, and I'm sure everybody will be welcome. When you come, you'll get me. I'm a really typical African woman, natural African beauty. Queen. Not really queen, but I'm sure the princess of Africa. At their home, Africa campaign, tourists are recognized for their unwavering involvement and commitment to the Africa community. Go where at their home Africa campaign takes you, and it takes you where you belong, whether in Africa or in Europe. But trust and believe in us. You will really enjoy it. And I'm sure the tourists will become Africans, and us Africans will be whites.